Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. This is Lian from Resin Creations and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I will be using Piñata alcohol inks and I'll be trying out something new, and because it's new I'm gonna do on only 2 coasters this time. And here you saw me shake them well because I haven't used them in a while, and yeah, they needed to have a good shake. So first things first, I am dividing my premixed resin in 2 cups just to make sure that the coasters have equal quantities of resin. And yes, I will start to open my inks, alcohol inks, and then I have a little accident and I spill my resin and it went on the floor and I had to clean everything up. And yeah, it was okay, but the coasters will have less resin than anticipated. So here I go with the method that I've seen couple resin artists doing. One of them was Naptime Creations Tish and also Sheena's Resin Art. So it's basically that you drop droplets of ink in random places and then you pour your transparent resin over and you have interesting results. At least I hope I will get them. So now I'm just dropping my drops everywhere. As you know, I enjoy blues and greens, so that's the colors I'm sticking with today. So nearly done applying my drops, and here is my resin, so I will go in and we'll see what happens. And already I can see that it's working and I'm getting the same inky kind of effect that I saw the other artist was getting. So I'm really happy about it and it looks amazing. I think it's great because it's kind of like tie-dye style, also like alcohol ink on a paper art. So I really like it. So this was my second coaster and I almost regret that I didn't make all 4 of them. And this is from the top after finish pouring. So I let them to cure and I will come back and demold them. So here it is, they have cured. The resin didn't travel too much, which I'm happy about, and they look amazing. I really like. Well, on the other side, the brass ink left these blobs, but on this side everything looks lovely. And this is the other one. and it looks great too. So as you see, they are transparent. So I will give them a gold edge and apply a top coat, and I will show you the results. And here they are, all finished, and they look amazing, and I enjoyed this technique very much. So probably in the future I will try it again. And of course, I will share the results with you. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying bye bye. Keep creating. Bye.